So let me share with you and introduce to you our three powerhouse brands. First is the Insilderm brand, and under Insilderm brand is the Signature Skincare line. Ito pong nasa taas na picture. And then also our advanced skincare line. Ito pong Radiant Sum 100. So tataniyan pagkakaiba, this is water-based po yung nasa taas and the other one is oil-based. So but sa October po, ang available lang po will be our signature skincare brand, which is this Insilderm. And under Insilderm also, we have cosmetic line. So yun po ang napaka exciting din for us women na complete set for our face. And then now in the middle we have Botalab. So under Botalab po, we have the hair care system which is the Certicola and also Suamel which is our body care. And then on the third picture, we have Lifening skin supplements. We have for the gut health supplements and also for our skin, hair is Collagen X. So ayan po, as you can see, Riman Company is not focused on just the face alone. It's a holistic approach to skincare. It's really beauty from within. So, ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng kumpanyang kompleto lahat. So, I am very excited po na ma-experience po ang bawat produkto ng Riman. But first, let me share with you ano po ba yung common ingredients of all these products. Okay? So, we have here unique and patented ingredients. So, what does it mean po? So when you say it's unique and it's patented, tayo lang po ang meron niyan sa buong mundo. So we have a 20-year patents on these ingredients and we are 2 years in already. So we have 18 years more exclusivity. So just imagine that. Sa mga ginagamit niyo ng facial skincare products, meron po ba yung patent? Ako po, lahat tayo women, alam ko na ang mga babae, even ngayon, mga lalaki are very picky na rin sa mga ginagamit nila. Kaya nung narinig ko to na they have patented ingredients, exclusivity for 18 years, it's one of a kind. So ano ba yan? So giant biyang pool or what is known as Centella asiatica is called tiger grass in Korea, in South Korea. So anciently po, they have observed that these tigers, when they get hurt, nasaktan po sila, they will look for this grass. And then they will roll over it. And after that, they notice that the tigers receive complete skin recovery. And so our chairman Ann studied about this specifically. So nakita niya of its anti-inflammatory benefits, its hydrating benefits, and also its healing properties. So for 4 years po, he studied that in his own laboratory and came up with his own innovation of the said Centella asiatica. So that's why it's called giant biang pool. So the giant biang pool is in itself a new plant. That's why he was able to patent that. So normally, a Centella asiatica is just the size of a 20 peso coin. But because of his innovation, it grew to the size of our palm. So ganun po lumaki. But it's not just in size that grew, but also of its benefits, 1,000 times more of what the ordinary sized Centella asiatica possesses. So last week when we were introducing it to a dermatology doctor, may ginagamit na rin ako niyan and meron akong Centella asiatica din as ingredients. And I told her, yes po, Centella asiatica is not unique. Maraming pong gumagamit na product. But what is unique about this, it's the giant biang pool, the giant Centella asiatica. And it is extracted fresh. So the leaf water is used for it, not the dried leaves. So yan po yung kailangan na maintindihan natin how different our giant biyang pool ingredient is to other Centella asiatica. And so ano naman po itong Jeju Lava Energy Water? So Jeju is an island, so it's near the sea. So it also has its volcano, Mount Halasan, and itong volcano na to has this lava rocks underneath it. So ang nangyayari po, the seawater coming in goes to a natural filtration. So it filters the pathogens, the bacteria, making it clean and pure water. And not just natural filtration, but it's also mineralized as it passes through the rocks. So ano po yan? Mineralization na yan. It gets the mineral supplementation that actually nourishes and hydrates our skin. So bakit ko po masasabi yon? Because of the giant biyang pool. So bakit lumaki po ng ganyan yung plant? Because of this energy water. So ibig sabihin, this energy water is alive. That normally, ang mga ginagamit ngayon, if we compare, is distilled water. So yes, distilled water is pure, it's clean, but it is also stripped of its minerals. Kaya po kung i-compare natin, what's how important it is. So just compare it to a Gatorade or a Pocari Sweat when we are dehydrated from activities of or if we get sick, kailangan natin ng hydration. If we are hydrated, we feel energized and we feel better. So sa skin, ganun din po. So yan pong ancient products, heritage ingredients are the patented. All active ingredient, these two ingredients along with the other vegan ingredients are in all our products. So bakit naman po napaka-importante din maintindihan natin ngayon ang technology? So, ano naman po ang kahalagahan ng mga active ingredients if these active ingredients will not penetrate the deeper parts of our skin? And so, the company used the most expensive pharmaceutical grade machine po to make this into the smallest particle that it can reach to the deepest layer of our skin, which is the dermis. Kaya po ang tawag is in-cell derm, inside the cell, in the dermis. So, it takes all these active ingredients doon po sa kung saan nandun talaga yung rejuvenation, repair. So, in our skin. So, dahil po dito sa Eastern ingredients and Western technology, here, later we will see the results. Okay po. So, but first, I'll introduce to you just the basic, what do you call this, mga products po of the Insilderm brand, signature skincare line. So, we have the Riman Ritual, which has its three phases. We have the cleansing, the hydrating, and the protecting. So for the cleansing part, we do the dual cleansing, which is the moisture cleansing oil, and also the cleansing powder wash. Pero meron pa pong isa is the snow enzyme cleanser for light exfoliation, and this one is for moderate exfoliation. So these two goes together po. And then after the cleansing, we have the booster serum booster, which has NMN. For all of you who have been using products with NMN, alam niyo kung gaano ka-importante ng NMN for anti-aging. And this one, as you can see, it's liquid. This has energy water. This is Jeju Lava Energy Water. So this one boasts of 81 to 88% moisturization. So this two. And then also the one sold at 40 million bottles or units is the Dermatology Cream X. So it also has NMN, exosomes, and other ingredients that will help rejuvenate and even regenerate your skin cells. So yan po yung mga basic products. Now, you can see here, sa picture na to, the age spots has been lessened, naging finer ang mga pores. And this one naman, has a lid lifting effect. As you can see, tingnan mo yung lid nito on the left compared to the right. And then the crow's feet, nawala siya on the other side. And then, for all of you who has melasma, ito po common po ito sa mga light skin. The age spots has been reduced. And according to the doctors that has given us training, once it's gone, hindi na po siya bumabalik. Because naturally, the skin is being repaired. Yun po ang importante. So ito naman po, as you can see, age spots, finer texture, less laugh lines, plumper skin. Pag hindi po hydrated ang skin natin, it's flat. So we need hydration. That's why we have many products, because we believe in the layering of products and trapping the moisture inside the skin. Yan po. And then, ito po, whether you're a baby or 80, pwede pong magkaroon ng improvement pa rin ang skin. Puffiness of the skin will be reduced, and even yung eye bags is significantly lessened, and even the dark under eye circles. Actually, kung makikita niyo po ito, maputi siya dito, tapos the other picture, tan na siya. Because this lady po, according to the one who took it, takot po siyang lumabas. Okay? So kaya po siya ganyan kasi baka akalain nila abused siya dahil sa itsura ng mata niya. But because of the product, imagine, she was able to go out na, magkaroon na ng masilayan na siya ng init ng araw and make her look healthy. So, ngayon po, ito naman ang personal experience ko with the product. Kasi syempre, no, whatever other people say, you want to have your own personal testimony of the product. So here is my arm. Nagpahid po ako ng lotion yan. And then immediately ay nangati ako. Sabi ko, Vaseline po yung ginamit ko. Naiwan sa kotse. So pagpahid ko, nag-react kagad po yung balat ko. As you can see here in 3 o'clock picture. And then, mayroon po kaming daladalang demo kit eh. So, we always have that para anytime we can demo. So, ang ginamit ko po is the Too Faced Oil Mist, which is rich in vitamin C. I sprayed it on, and then I also put the Calming Balance Gel, which has the 24-karat gold flakes. It's good for itching, drying up pimple, and also for burns and itchiness. So, yan po. Yan ang pinahid ko. After 5 minutes, ito na po yung braso ko. After 10 minutes, bumalik na po sa normal. So, doon ko naisip na, yes, what they claim about anti-inflammatory and healing, ito po, I personally experienced it. And then also with my daughter, sino po dito yung may anak, lalo na mga teenager, ano po yung problema nila? Ang problema po nila ay acne, di ba? So my daughter buys this Fairy Skin product. Okay, I'm sorry po to mention the product, no. It's 300 pesos isang set. May sabon and other four steps sila. But the thing is, ang nangyari sa anak ko is nagkaroon siya ng ganito, nag-react yung balat niya, yung pimple niya. So, hindi na siya makalabas ng bahay. Sabi niya, hindi ako makakapunta sa church activity, ayokong lumabas ng ganito na yung mukha ko. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, try natin yung product. Ayaw pa niya una. But, sabi ko, binida ko lahat ng mga properties ng products at kinompare ko dun sa properties, dun sa chemicals na meron yung ginagamit siya. So, ginamit niya. At 9 o'clock, nag-wash siya, ginamit niya yung mga products, wash, and then naglagay ng Calming Balance Gel. And then sabi ko, picturean. So, kaya po, ito yung may picture na to. Okay? May Calming Balance Gel na yan. Pero pinakomplete ko po sa kanya ang lahat ng products. Okay? Until dun sa Sun Protect. And then, umalis kami the whole day. Pagbalik namin sa bahay, 6 p.m., wala pa, hindi pa siya nagsi-second wash nito. I checked her skin. Nakita nyo naman po yung inflammation, nag-reduce. Actually, nawala. Nakita nyo rin po yung mga pimples niya, humupa. Actually, I took this not to post it, to show. Kasi gusto ko siya mismo yung makakita. Gusto ko siyang ma-convince na the product works. So that's why I took a picture of this. So yan po yung at 6 p.m. So ngayon, continuous na siyang ginagamit and I will take a picture again after 3 days, after 5 days. So that's my personal experience with the products. That's why I'm so excited i-share to sa inyo kasi baka meron din kayong ganitong story. Because now, skincare is not a vanity anymore. It's a necessity. And luxurious skincare is available in Riman because luxury is made possible for everyday people, mga katulad natin. Hindi na lang po yan for the chosen few. It can, healthy looking skin can be achieved. And eto naman po yung mga effects for their hair care system. So, yung after one wash, nakita niyo po na nawala na yung flakiness, dryness, and inflammation. For the body care, for the lotion and the body wash, using it for 2 months, nakita niyo naman po, nag-improve ang quality ng skin. And this one, the hair, yung hair regrowth is visible.
Okay, we are
Actually,
just, yan.
wala pa akong testimonial dito kasi wala pang products dito. But this one is really a sight to behold and very exciting to try. So yan po yung mga products ng Riman. And now this 3-minute video worth 800,000 US dollars. Okay? So makikita natin dito yung story behind the Ask Laboratory. So this is the Ask Laboratory of Chairman Ann, and it shows how they farm their own plant, how they manufacture, they create their own products. Sila mismo ang gumagawa, vertically integrated, so we can be assured of the quality from the ingredients and the technology. So hindi po nakakahiyang i-share ito. And actually, as you can see, if some of you are using high-end products like the Chanel, the La Mer, the Le Prayer, we just follow the brand. When we see the brand, we know it's good. But here in Riman, it's not just the brand itself. They are very transparent on their ingredients. They're very transparent with their technology. And they're out there to show us kung paano napaprocess ito. So, sino pa po ba yung magko-question nito na kung totoo to o hindi? I have made my personal research on the company, on the things that they are showing, and I know that they are legit. And so I'm thankful to share it with you tonight. So maraming salamat po. I hope you have been enlightened with the products. And so now I will introduce, okay, I will stop share. Okay, now I'll introduce naman po Miss Blue Ann Pilapil, our very young and energetic millionaire in this business na I truly admire po.